Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you guys a few steps that I do to get a fuller lip without having to go get injections done. And there's nothing wrong with injections, as I said throughout the video. I would go get them done in a heartbeat. Sometimes people don't want to go through the pain, or you don't always have the money to go get them done, but there's always other ways to get a fuller, beautiful lip. So if you guys want to know how to get beautiful full lips without injections, please stay tuned. So I'm gonna show you how to get a very nice full lips without getting any injections. I have nothing against injections. You can get them done, but if you don't want to spend the money, and if you're scared of getting needles in your lips, this is an easier way to just get a fuller lips without any injections. Or I don't know what else can you do to get bigger lips. But I'm gonna show you guys a few steps to get beautiful full lips without getting injections. So I made this little mix. You can see it's just sugar and olive oil. You can definitely, oh god, I just spilled that everywhere. You can go out and buy any lip scrub if you want to. I'm not very big with lip scrubs, because what I usually use is I just use my Clarisonic that I use on my face. I just go on over my lips with it too, so that's how I exfoliate my lips mostly. But if you guys want to use a little scrub, this is what I made at home. It's very easy, so I'm just gonna scoop a little out like this. So I'm just gonna take this. It's a little messy, okay? So I'm just applying, oh my god, I'm just applying this on my lip. Whoa, I just like spilled it everywhere. And then just rub it onto my lips. I'm ruining my makeup. And don't forget the corners of your lips as well. Ooh, how sexy do I look? This is also really good if you want to... Let me clean this and talk, because I look crazy. Do you guys see how bigger my lips look now? So exfoliation kind of like gets your blood circulation going, so it kind of already plumps your lips a little bit. Okay. And you can eat this if you wanted to. You shouldn't, but it's fine if it goes in your mouth, because it's literally just sugar. And I'm gonna actually get a wet wipe and just wipe it. See how much bigger your lips look already just by exfoliating it? Start reapplying a little of whatever foundation is left on my sponge onto my lip. So for lips first, I'm gonna use this pretty shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills in the shade Hudson. So with this, what I'm gonna do is, so basically a lot of people like to use lip liner for this. I really don't like using lip liners, and I feel like this does the same thing. So I like to use this rather than lip liners, because it lasts longer on the lips and it doesn't move, and it's so much easier for me to work with than like a lips pencil. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, okay, so I'm gonna start out from midsection. Let me get comfortable. So I'm gonna start out from the middle section. So I'm gonna start from my cupid's bow. I'm gonna very slightly overline the cupid's bow. Like that. So when you get to right there, start focusing on getting the line to line up with your own natural line. So like this. Although if I wanted to, I could go higher, because my lip line is not defined at all on this side. But I know not everyone has the same lip shape as me. So just like halfway from your Q-tips to your like midsection right here, go a little overline and then follow your own lip line, and do the same thing on the other side. This is such a nice color. I haven't used this shade for a long time. And for your lower lip, you're just gonna, like, my lower lip is already, oh my god, I'm bleeding. I guess I scrubbed too hard. So for my lower lip, it's already bigger than my top lip, so I'm just gonna, like, literally this little mid section is where I'm gonna overline, and that too very little, and then follow your own lip line. Okay, so like that. And then you can do the whole line thing, so you can draw a line like this if you want, like, that little cut in the middle of the lip, and also on these two sides like that. It just gives your lips a little more dimension. So this lip trick literally works with any two lip shades, like that are dark, one dark, one light. But make sure it's a matte liquid lipstick, because if it's not matte, it doesn't have to be matte liquid lipstick, it just has to be something matte. Because if it's shiny, then you can tell a lot more that it's been overlined, but when it's matte, it's a little less noticeable. And for the midsection of my lip, I'm going to be using the NYX Lingerie Liquid Lipstick, and it's in the shade Ruffle Trim. I'm just going to go in the midsection. So you can leave it at this. Your lips already look pretty big, and you can tell they look very plump and luscious and very pretty, and they don't look too fake. I'll get closer. Do you see? Okay, so you can't really see the overline all that much, but with any gloss, well, like a shade like this, or like a neutral, or even a clear gloss, just take a little bit of a gloss. This is a Lorac gloss that I'm using. I don't have a, it's a gloss luster, a lip gloss luster. I don't have a shade. I don't know what happened, but I'll look it up for you guys and I'll link it down below. So just a tiny little bit I'm gonna do. Do you see that? Just a tiny little bit. It makes your lips look a little more fuller and pretty. I like that. See? And also just focus in the middle section. Don't go around, because if you go around right here, it's gonna emphasize the overline. It's just gonna show that you have overlined your lips. So just keep it in the middle section of your lip. So this is a little trick I wanted to share with you guys today. I hope you guys like and try it, and if you do like it, please tag me. I would like to see. And yeah, thank you so much for watching again. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on TikTok and Instagram, both at Makeup by Roya. I love you guys. Please stay safe. Mwah. Bye.